And we're just walking down the very narrow alleys in Dubrovnik. These are the walls of Dubrovnik, and it's a huge fortress that was built to protect the city on the inside. And this is where they filmed the popular TV show, the Game of Thrones. And so we are going to go in and take a peek. Yeah, this place is something. Wow, what a view. People just living everyday lives. We have reached the highest point of the walls. It overlooks the entire city that's contained within the walls. What a sight. It's taken us 1 hour to get to the highest point. It's 9 a.m. You hear the bells. What a sight. Mercy. Well, we found us a really neat corner street back here that we're going to stop and have some breakfast. We just got done walking on the wall, and the views here are spectacular. What a setting for breakfast. My goodness. See up here? It's just wow. Well, you can say here, one of the prettiest places we've been to for sure. Oh yeah. Oh, this is going to be pretty impressive up here. Yeah, look at this. And we've come into an open area here. Like they're redoing a statue. Beautiful clock tower. And we found the entire population of Dubrovnik. Well, we're our last stop for the day. We found this little cafe that's literally right on the water, on the outside of the wall. It's just on hill rocks. There's actually a beach access. I mean, not really beach access, but water access. People are laying out down there and getting in the water. It's just absolutely breathtaking here.